Hey guys, so this is a different angle. I know you really like seeing the whole room right now, but right now I'm working on some stuff. I have 2 big orders this week. So one big order is lip glosses, and then the next is lip glosses and lashes. So I've basically been working on this big order for like one of them I've been working on for 2 weeks. For a week, and then the other one I just got this weekend. One is lip gloss and lashes. One is lip gloss and lashes because it's for a banquet, for some girls, for a banquet. That's like a whole little bundle deal that I do. If you're interested into that, you want to have lip gloss and lashes for an affordable price and everything, like a whole little bundle deal. It has to be for a bundle deal more than 10 lip glosses, more than 10 lashes. So yeah, that's going on. And then I have this new order that I just got in with 15 lip glosses. So right now I am working on this. These are all my lashes that are with the bundle deal. So I did just order some new labels. I do have boxes that I have to pick up later this week. So it's Tuesday, so I think I'm gonna pick them up Thursday. This order is for Friday, so I think I'm gonna pick them up Thursday, and I'm gonna put the lashes and the lip gloss in there like this. So I've been making a lot of lip gloss this week, like the most lip gloss I've ever made, because if you guys didn't know, February was my biggest month. I sold out of a lot of lip gloss. Like February was my biggest month. I was doing numbers, sis, and that's the most money I ever made in a whole month before off of Nyla Symone. So I'm just so thankful. Thank you to everybody who purchased lip glosses and everything. Like, thank you so much. God bless you, and just thank you. That's all I have to say. So yes, I did order more labels because my labels just, like I said, I had so much lip gloss to make, and like I had so much. So I was using the labels like that, and now I put the labels on my lashes too, so it doesn't even just go on my lip glosses, it goes in my lashes. So now I need more labels than I expected. But I'm gonna check my email because I want to make sure that these labels come this week. They said it might come this week, but I don't know. It says my labels aren't gonna be here till Saturday. I don't know what to do. Since my labels are gonna come Saturday, this is what I can do. Hopefully it works out, because last time I tried to make labels, it didn't work out. Well, they worked out, I just didn't like them. So what I'm thinking I can do, because I have to do the same thing for business cards, because I have to buy brand new business cards. But what I'm thinking I can do is, I'm thinking I can purchase this film, this clear label film from Staples, because I went to Staples the other day and they had like everything. So I'm thinking I can purchase that at Staples and then print it at my job, because my job got a good printer, and print it at my job, and boom, we have a label. But I don't think they're gonna be as clear as this. This is like clear film. I only want clear film. So I don't know what to do, but that's a theory, because that's what I'm gonna do with my business cards. But I don't know if I'm gonna do the same thing for my labels. So like I was saying, I have 7 lip glosses without, 7 lip glosses with labels, and then 8 lip glosses without labels. So if y'all don't know, I have my business book. I literally write everything in this book. It's my organization. It keeps my business going. Honestly, I could not do anything without this book, because this book is magical. Okay, as y'all can see, this is my big order, and then this is another one of my big orders. So this is the bundle, and then this is just the lip glosses, and I just have it organized on what lip glosses I'm giving, because it was a mix match order, so I can give any type of lip glosses. And then I have like all the lip glosses I need to make down there. So yeah, so I'm gonna put need 8 labels on here at the bottom so I can remember. And then for these, I'm gonna put need 5 labels. These have They say clear, but they have like this film on them. So these are what they look like. This is my old logo, but this is what they look like. But they're not clear, like they have this frosty film on them, and I just wasn't here for that at all. So I mean, to be honest, I might just use these so I don't have to spend more money, because, and then just put them on the lashes, because I think it will be better. I don't know. I'm really indecisive about it. Okay, y'all, so what I decided to do is I'm gonna take these labels and make them for my lashes, and I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I'm gonna bring that with me to work tomorrow, and y'all finna see me put labels on lashes. So I say, if you're gonna get your labels, get them off of Avery. They are like, they're affordable, you know, but they're not as affordable as they seem, just to put it like that. First three, do y'all see those? Those are so pretty. I was gonna change the label, but I love it so much. It's so pretty. So yeah, y'all, so now I'm gonna fast forward and keep it going. Alrighty, so all of these lip glosses are done. Make sure y'all purchase my lip glosses. They're $2 right now for the 1-year anniversary sale, so make sure y'all hit them up. So I just dumped all the lip glosses out, and I'm gonna show you guys how I package my big orders of lip glosses in my pretty teal bubble mailer. So what I'm gonna do first is, since this is a big order, I'm going to take I usually don't do this for my orders, but I'm going to print out a piece of paper. So I'm gonna basically print out the receipt, because I feel like this is a big order, so they need to see what they got and everything, and it just adds more to the bag, because I hate when I open up like envelopes period and it's not as much as I think is in there. So you know, I'm just trying to add a little more sauce to the bag, you feel me? I use Shopify, if you guys didn't know. So I use Big Cartel, and I just transferred over to Shopify. So Shopify is the best. Honestly, it is the best. It is a little bit better. Like Big Cartel had its benefits and Shopify had its benefits, but Shopify puts me at a more serious level than Big Cartel could. So, and yeah, so I transferred over after my 1 year. So I had Big Cartel for a whole year, and then I bought Shopify. I bought Shopify as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna go to my order. I'm gonna print out the receipt for the order. After I print that, I go into my inventory stash, and I'm gonna take my black tissue paper. So as you guys see, we just have a black pocket, and we're gonna put all the lip glosses in there. Right now I don't have anything like to make sure the lip glosses are stable together, but I could tell you, but I'm just gonna put them in there anyways. So this customer got 5 hollows. So these are my hollow lip glosses. Hold on, y'all, showing too much nail and not the lip gloss. These are my hollow lip glosses. It's just a holographic glitter in it, but it's clear base, and holographic glitter does show up on your lips. Icy. So Icy is a white base lip gloss. It's a white shimmer, and I don't, you guys can't even see it. Well, it's pinky. It's just a pink lip gloss, a girly pink lip gloss. I love it. And then the next lip gloss is Basic S. This is my lip gloss. This is my clear lip gloss. I love it. It's strawberry. This is the strawberry scented one, because the mango and the coconut one haven't came out yet. So when the mango and coconut one comes out, yeah, y'all need to be on it, because the best lip gloss ever. I'm gonna add my business cards in here. So these are my business cards. I still have my old logo business cards. I'm gonna put 2 in here since there's so many lip glosses. You never know what the second business card can do for you, so I'm gonna put 2. I personally love business cards because it's just a better way to promote yourself when you're like not there. One, also it's a better way to, like, for me, people, when I ask people like, oh, you wear lashes, I give them my business card. When I pay for food and like for the waitress, when I leave the tip, I also lay my business card there. Like, it's just a little stamp, because not everybody can go like my name on Instagram like that. I just don't think that's professional. I think a business card is more professional, and I just think it's the best thing to do. So I always leave a business card in my orders, because it's just more professional to me, and that's just what I like to do. So if you don't like to do it, that's you. You know, you have your ways, I have my ways. I find things that are more beneficial for me, and y'all find things that are more beneficial for you. This is basically the paper, as you guys can see. I'm gonna fold it. So as you guys can see, this is basically the order. This is basically the receipt. When I put it in there, and I'm gonna fold it in a square. It's just basically letting the customer know everything that they purchased, everything that they wanted, all in one, so there's no like misunderstanding or anything like that. And so basically that's it. And with this black tissue paper, you just want to leave it open. You don't want to curl it up or anything like that. And then you would just take off this and make sure everything's in there correctly. And then you would go like that. And that basically is your whole order. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in another video when I come back with my other business orders. So the bigger business order with the bundle deal, I'll catch you guys in that video because that's my last order that I have to do with my big business deals. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any videos that you want to see, just make sure that you leave them down below. And I'm always here for any questions, advice on any business things. I'm always here. So make sure you guys just ask me on my socials. My social medias are always on the screen, so they could be right here, they could be right here. I don't know where they're gonna be at, but make sure you guys go do that. Make sure you guys go shop Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, and I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye.